Welcome to one of our sound property custom builds. Let's go and have a look. So these houses, as you'll see, not your typical investor grade house and land package out in a greenfield estate. We're literally only 10 kilometres to the CBD in a very established family orientated area. Some of the inclusions, obviously high ceilings in here, pools, we put in the stone bench tops in the kitchens, SMEG appliances, induction cooktop. We have integrated dishwasher over here. So some really nice features, and obviously one of the challenges for us is not over-capitalising for our investors. We want to obviously make the places look as great as it does, but not overspend and come in at budget there as well. So it's a great strategy for those clients looking to make some inbuilt equity and be a little bit more active in their investing.